So Team Avengers is not an organization at all. It's a group of working people. We have come together in the last week of April. Delhi NCR was going through a lot of hell. People were suffering all across. Every other guy I was talking to was suffering from COVID, and he wanted either oxygen, beds, medicine. Everywhere the situation was very bad. It turned worse in my society also. So on 26th of April, I asked my organization, 1.1 Solutions Limited, that I want to leave for a month and I want to work with my friends and colleagues and family members and form a group. So we started a group, a WhatsApp group on 26th of April with 6 people. And we just wanted to do something, help people, and all friends, family members from US, UK, India, everybody joined in. So it was completely a friend, family, colleagues group. So that's what, and we said, let's do something as humans. Why the name Avengers? So the idea of Avengers, one, that we like the characters as kids do. Secondly, we all believe that every human has a special power to heal or support humanity, and which we can do from our home, from our surrounding, which we try to do. So we are, as I said, we are a team of working professionals. We work for the COVID patients and their families, and we try to help them. We started on 26th of April with 6 members. Today we are 55 plus members, and we have worked in Delhi NCR, that's specifically Central Delhi, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Noida, then a place in Gorakhpur, a place in Jhansi. And we started with distributing food, distributing oxygen cans, because as a group, we couldn't afford those oxygen cylinders and concentrators. So oxygen cans used to give a temp relief, and they can go to, they have around about 200 puffs, and they can, patient can go to the hospital. Medicines, hospital beds, we were trying to arrange, homemade food. Few of my friends are doctors, so we try to arrange doctors teleconsultancy. Few of them are life coaches. We arrange few classes with them, medical care kits, vaccination awareness, and other stuff. So what services we thought would be the need of the hour? So we kept on changing our services week by week, and we ran it completely like a professional unit. So first we started with COVID care. We saw what is required for the society on the immediate basis. We started with free meals, as I said. Many of the people who were staying alone, or the entire family was COVID infected and they were not able to go for teleconsultation or get medicine, we tried to help them with both. We tried to help many people were suffering with a bout of depression and were pretty low. So we helped them with counseling with our colleagues who were in our panel. We also helped people with hospital beds, oxygen cylinders, oxygen refill, medicine availability. That time we guys were working 17, 18 hours, because that time last week of April to round about 7th or 8th of May, there was hell looming large in Delhi NCR. Then we started food distribution, as I said, and we saw in the lockdown, daily wage workers, laborers, drivers, made were without job, and they were not able to feed themselves. So we understood that, and as a team, we picked up our pockets, we distributed our job, and we started the food distribution, cooked food distribution, homemade cooked food distribution work. So these are the pictures, various locations which we are distributing food. Then we also understood that we cannot give cooked food to everybody at every location, and we cannot do it on daily basis. So we made dry ration kit. We made rice, atta, pulses, few vegetables, spices, oil, and all, and we distributed it to a lot of places. So these are the pictures where we are distributing the dry ration kit. Then we understood that feeding the people is one thing. Then second, creating awareness, distributing hygiene kit in those times to stop the impact of this mutant variant in the second wave. We made a multivitamin mask, sanitizer, soap, a kit, and we distributed it to the areas where we thought it is very prudent and it required most. These are the pictures where we are distributing. In total, as we speak, we have distributed 10,000 plus cooked meals, 9,700 masks and medical kits, 600 packets of dry ration kits, and 55 free doctor consultation. While we were doing so, because we belong to corporates, we have worked there, we understand everything has to be governed properly. So we made teams, everybody took responsibility. So we made teams for oxygen and can cylinders, food distribution, medical kit, mask donation, and everybody was working and everybody was in charge of a particular mask donation awareness or vaccination awareness. So they were part of that. And what we did was a very important thing. We made a Google sheet. So whatever donation was coming within, whatever distribution was happening, we made sure it is shown online to everybody. And we put it in the WhatsApp description box, the link of this Google sheet. It was pretty transparent and everybody knew who's donating, where the donation is going, what kind of distribution work is happening, how many food kits have been distributed. So we worked in a very synchronized and structured manner. Thankfully, we were supported by everyone. We were supported by a front page ad by, a coverage by TOI, and a lot of media also covered us and supported us in our endeavor. What we plan to do as we see that situation in Delhi NCR is becoming better, we are thinking about putting up small camps and distribute masks and create awareness how they can register for free vaccination or vaccination from 21st of June. That's what we plan to do. Thanks. That was a small presentation from our side. Any question, any queries you have?
Thank you so much, and kudos to you all. So are you going to continue this for a long time, or how does this work now?
So we are going to continue. I am talking to my company, 1.1 Solutions Limited, and I am asking them to take it and support us with CSR initiative. And I plan to take it, and with my members are also there, all friends and family. Many of them are working in this company and many of them from outside. And it's a group of people who have put in their whole heart, passion and compassion.
The best.
And, yeah,
there is a similar such initiative called Khana Chahiye in Bombay. And while they have, of course, a lot of other support sources, and what you're doing is fabulous, but joining hands with many will strengthen you. And given that you are a volunteer group, all self-driven, so very nice.
Yeah. So, but all of us are working also, so we have to just put our heart and heart also there, and we need to do this, and we need to do it for the society. How we formulate it more and structure it more, as we need to see, because in April it was war and everybody had to come out and take a weapon and support each other.
All the best, Abhijit.
Thank you, Forum.